Hello my dear students, just have a look on this question. So here we have two organic compounds, arrange them based on their acidic nature. So I highlighted HA, HB are the two hydrogens which are having acidic nature, but which is more acidic here, that is what the question. Okay, so how can we answer this kind of questions? So whenever organic compound is given, so always decide their acidic nature based on their conjugate base stability. So an organic compound acidic nature depends upon its conjugate base stability. Now here, so what is a conjugate base? After releasing this H plus ion, so after removing this H plus ion from here, we will be having a carbon ion like this. This is a conjugate base of this acid. Similarly for this is a conjugate base after removing this Hb hydrogen, that is proton. Okay. Now check the stability of these two conjugate bases, which is more stable. See, for this particular 5-membered ring, it is having aromatic nature, right? So it is following aromatic nature, okay? But when it comes to this is anti-aromatic compound, this is aromatic, and this is anti-aromatic compound. Therefore, we know aromatic compounds are more stable. Therefore, this conjugate base is more stable. Therefore, this acid will be more acidic than this, because respective conjugate base is more stable in this case. So always remember, in order to decide the organic acid's acidic nature, so we have to check for its conjugate base stability. More the stability, more will be the acidic nature of that respective compound. I hope it is clear. Now look into one more question here. So I have given A, B, C are the three compounds. So now arrange them based on their acidic nature. So here I highlighted A, B, C are the three hydrogens, which is more acidic here. So now after removing this H plus ion, what is the conjugate base we are behind? The negative charge here, and here also after removing one H plus ion, so we will be having the conjugate bases like this. Now out of these three, which is more stable? Now look, all of them are following Huckel rule, which is aromatic compounds. Now here we have a single ring, two rings, three rings. So when we compare the individual rings, aromatic nature or the stability of individual rings, so always remember the aromatic nature of this individual ring will be more when we compare with the individual ring of this and this. So always remember, as number of rings, aromatic rings are increasing, the overall aromaticity increases. But when I ask for individual rings, per ring aromaticity if we compare, that will be more for this single ring, not for this multiple rings. I hope it is clear how to decide. So which is, when we compare the individual rings aromatic nature, that will be more in this case. So it will be more in this case. Therefore it is having more aromatic nature, it is having more stability. Therefore the compound A will be more acidic than B, and least is C. So this is how you need to write. Okay. So this concept is purely on aromatic nature, right? So again, I have a homework question for you. Just look into this compound, HA, HB are the two hydrogens, arrange them based on their acidic nature. So write the answer in the comment box. Thank you.